Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back with another hair video. This video is featuring Yolissa. I'm just going to quickly show you guys how the hair came packaged. It came in the cute little satin bag with a little headband, edge brush, and a wig cap. This is what the wig looks like with nothing on it. It's just fresh out the packaging. So what I'm going to do is dye this wig black because it is like a natural brown color, and I also need to bleach the knots. So before I'm doing like the watercolor method, I just use that got to be spray on the lace so it doesn't, dye my knots before I get to dye them. So yeah, we're just filling our bucket of water. I use hot water from the kettle. I feel like the color dissolves better when it's mixed with like hot water, so that's what I did. And I only use one box of color for this whole entire wig, and it worked. So I let the wig sit in the water for probably about 25 minutes. Not too long because I was so nervous about the lace. I didn't want it to be dyed or stained or whatever the case may be. And I'm just putting a little makeup on top of the lace because this lace is transparent, but it doesn't blend in with my skin the best right off the bat. So that's what I did. And initially I was going to do a middle part, but that I wasn't feeling it. So I ended up switching it to a side part, which you're about to see. And I love it. I never wear side parts. And I don't know, I just never have like jet black wig hair either. So this is just a whole little vibe for me. Cutting the edges of the wig so we can like swoop it over. Now, this wig from Yolissa is a 200% density body wave 5x5 lace closure wig. So you don't have to worry. Well, for me, I don't have much, you know, forehead head space. So a lot of the times full lace wigs just kind of don't work for me, but I like the 5x5. So that's what we're doing. And I'm just going over it with the hot comb just to get it kind of as flat as I can. I do add a little bit of olive oil mousse to it, so that kind of helps lay the hair down. And then of course the hot comb, like I said. And since this is a body wave wig, the hair isn't like sleek straight. So what I'm gonna do is straighten the whole wig, and the hair gets really nice and silky. Like as you can see, it's so pretty. The black color just makes it look even better. So I'm just straightening the hair out because I wanted like a nice straight side part, and I thought that was really cute. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking like, you guys. This hair is so full and so pretty. As you can see, it's like thick from root to tip. The hair is nice. It flows nice. It has a nice weight to it, but I guess that's because this is a 200% density wig. And, you know, I'm leaning more towards wigs with more hair on it. I just feel like it just looks better than a thin, straggly wig. But yeah, so I'm just straightening the hair. It straightens really easy. It straightens really nicely. As you can see, it looks so good. So yeah, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It is really long. Like I said, it's 22 inches, but I'll be sure to have a link for the hair down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.